Hey guys, welcome to IT Contents channel, and in today's video I've got a useful tip for you. So let's say your PC is running out of storage. As you know that every time you install a virtual machine, it installs on the C drive. Let's say you've seen your C drive is running low on space, because now these are some of the virtual machines that I have on my C drive. As you can see, my C drive is there. So if you see just the Ubuntu VM right now, it's getting up to like 8 to 9 GB. So now let's say we want to move this file here, which is this Ubuntu VDI, which is 8.9, let's say 8.9 GB. Okay, so we want to move this to a location where we have a lot of space to free up on our C drive. So what you can do, the best way you can do it without disturbing anything on your system, is literally by going onto your virtual machine itself. Let's say we want to move Ubuntu, so you go to files, then you want to go to where it says virtual media manager. You want to click on virtual media manager, then it will bring this to you here. So now we want to move this Ubuntu. Okay, you just want to click on it, like select it, then you want to right click, and then you want to say move. Okay, so now this will allow you to paste it anywhere else where you want it. So let's say, for example, I already have somewhere where I want to put it, where there's a lot of storage. So let's say I would go in my P data like that, and then I want to go to my Ubuntu folder. Okay, I'll just open that. Then in here, that's where I want to store my file. So now once you do that, you should see this pop up. It will start moving the disk itself. Okay, so you just need to give it like some time to just move all the file. So now as you can see, once it's done, it will come back to the same screen. Okay, so now you can close this. Now if we click on the virtual machine itself, from here you will see that where it was storing the VDI file has been moved. So if we click on it and go to settings, okay, so here under settings, when we go to storage, okay, click on the Ubuntu VDI like that, click on it, you will see that now the location has changed. It's now in J Ubuntu 20.04 Ubuntu there. As you can see, the file that I had stored it in. So if we check here, we confirm, you will see on your Ubuntu there's that VDI file is not there, and also you will see now my full folder size is now 7 MBs, of which we've managed to move the file itself. And also, once you move it, please don't delete this. I'll show you why it's important still, because a lot of files are still in here, and VirtualBox is still pointing out in there. That's why the system files are for the virtual machine. Okay, so now if we go back to the drive where we've moved it, so we can confirm that by going into that drive. So we can go into my Ubuntu, and as you can see, this is J and it's in the Ubuntu 20.04 folder. Okay, so that's how you move it. So now that we've managed to move the VDI file, we can now check to test to see if our virtual machine will run. Okay, but since it's pointing to the right file, it will run it. So now we just need to click on it and go on start, and then just see if it will start. Okay, so currently it's now starting. Let me just move it to my second screen so that you see it. So as you can see, that's the virtual machine right there, and it's fully functional. It's running right now, so it's just loading. As you can see, there you go, my Ubuntu is up and running. It has no issues, and I've moved it to a location where there's a lot of space. So if this video has been helpful and you've learned something, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any time I release a new video.